Alright, y'all, if you want to take your eye from looking like this to this, kind of like a natural false lash style, then just keep on watching. Okay, so the first step, your lashes. So I used to use this one, which is all around Twitter. I think it's, I don't know how to say it, but this is the most popular one that I see on Twitter. I mean, on TikTok. I don't know what I'm talking about Twitter for. I used to see this one all around TikTok, on everybody's Amazon storefront. So this is what I started with first. But now I recommend these Pawotence, Paw something. This brand, I just feel like comes with more sizes. And honestly, this one I can get like maybe like 6 to 8 wears. It lasts me around a month, and I do my lashes like constantly. In comparison to this one would last me a week. So, and I just like the way the curl is on these ones. They're just so much more curled in comparison to this one. Like, you can't even see it from this angle because they're really flat. Honestly, this one has more of a curl, and that's really why I chose these ones. I've tried a couple of other styles of lashes, like spiky lashes, whatever, but this is the one I always gravitate to because it's just natural, and you can make it dramatic if you want to make it dramatic. I've been doing it like more of a natural style lately. It's just my vibe. And the glue that I use is gonna be the QUEWEL. I'm sure everybody's seen this one. I started off with the FALSCARA lashes, but now I use a QUEWEL because it just lasts me so much longer. If I really want to, it could probably last me about a week, but I usually switch it out maybe in the 4th day just because I get makeup all on the bottom and it's kind of disgusting. For my lash map, I usually start with 12s, then I do 14, I do 2 15s, a 13, 11, and then a 10, and then I double stack it, and I do the same things except in the front, instead of a 10, I'll add a 9 on the bottom because it does tend to get like a little droopy in the front just because it's so heavy. The first thing I do is I curl my lashes. I don't know if you guys saw earlier when I was showing you the before and after. My natural lashes are really straight and they fall straight down. Like, even when I curl them, they still fall down. I'm sure you've seen all the videos. The next step is putting the bond. I try to leave a little bit of my bottom lash not with the lashes. Like, you can see right here, there's a good amount of lashes down there. Just because I don't want it to look too droopy. Like, it already looks a little bit droopy, and I probably didn't put it high up enough, but I like to leave a little bit. I try not to put too much glue. I just kind of put it at the very like bottom of my lashes. This is definitely my problem eye. I don't know why, but some of my lashes just hang down, so the glue just starts getting messy on this eye. So I have a 12 here, and then I just grab it, and I grab it from the other end, and I'm just gonna go at it at the end of my eye. The furthest I put the furthest part that I put glue. It is so hard to record this. Honestly, I underestimated the girls that do this for TikTok. So now I'm just gonna go in with my 14. Okay, so here I am with my 15s. And like I said, you guys get the point. 12, 14, 2 15s, 13, 11, 10. So I'm just gonna do that on my whole eye. I know a lot of people, you see them going like this. I don't pull up my eye. I just look really close in the mirror, and I just put it wherever it needs to go. Okay, so once you're done with that first layer, it should look something like this. Let me zoom in a little bit. It should look something like this. Obviously, it's not gonna look like this because it's double layered, so it's gonna look a little bit crazy. This is why I double layer, because it just looks weird, and like you can see it, like even through the double lash, you can see my natural lashes poking behind because I have natural long straight lashes. This side is really bad, so that's why we're gonna double layer it. So then you're just gonna put more glue on the bottom of these lashes, also kind of towards the root, but it doesn't have to be exactly on the root. and we're gonna do a whole nother layer of the lashes. Okay y'all, so I did this side. Now what I did was I put some of the seal onto the inside of this little thing. So I put the sealant so in here, in between the tweezers, like in here, just so that way I can press the lashes together so there's not any separation. And so if there's any like excess glue, this will dry the glue so that my lashes don't fall off when I tweeze them like closed. See how it doesn't stick? And then just try not to put too much sealant, because if you do, it'll leave like this white residue and it makes the lashes hard because it is like drying the glue. They both look a tiny bit different, but of course, like, I'm human, I'm not gonna get it perfect on both sides. Just the placement on everything really matters. You don't want it to get too close to your actual eye, the eye skin. You want to place it on the lashes, but you have to be careful. It's kind of tricky to place it in the exact same spot on both eyes. Okay, so this is the finished look on both eyes. And then what I do is I grab like a spoolie to kind of like make them look similar. I just kind of like mess with it and I just put it where I need to. When I first started, I had gotten the FALSCARA kit when I was first learning, which honestly is a really good first time learner tool. It comes with this FALSCARA overnighter. If there's any lashes that are not completely glued down on my eye, like after I'm done with everything, because you don't want to pull it off and try to fix it, I just put this and it seals the lashes. It's like an extra thing of glue. So if like on my second day some of the lashes start lifting for whatever reason, maybe I got them wet, I just reapply this and it keeps the lashes lasting longer. Right now I'm kind of nitpicking my lashes because I like the way this eye came out better, but just remember, nobody's really going to be looking at your lashes that hard and being like, that eye looks better. Even when you get your lashes done by the lash tech, they be coming out different. Even if they try to make it perfect, they still come out a little bit different. Okay, so this is the final look with makeup on, and the lashes, you can't even tell that they're any different, look the same. Anyways, let me know if you try the lashes out and if you guys end up liking them.